think the DICT has really gone a long way, no, from 10 years ago. It's just like yesterday we had DICT, and of course, for me personally, the DICT anniversary is very close to my heart because, like what my ARD mentioned, my birthday is a day before, so I wish it were the same. But and what trivia, I guess, is that the DICT was established during of course, ICT month, the timing, and at the same time, it's the month of communication, really, even in other facets, no. So, the DICT has moved forward. Like we now have this new regional office here in Mandaue, more high tech. We've also done a lot of pioneering projects, like for example, the Serbisyo hub that we have in the same facility here. We're the first outside NCR, no, and I hope the first of many that may come in the future. So we look forward to many more initiatives, no, from expanding connectivity through national broadband, free Wi-Fi. So we're very excited for the prospects for the future for the ICT.